Hello everyone. Today I received a new phone, Pocophone from Xiaomi, ordered online from Lazada, Malaysia. This is the package from online shop called Wow Phone, WOW. This is the international version, not the Malaysian set. And they give free gifts. This is a headset, and this is the finger hang and screen protector. Actually, the screen protector is not for Pocophone, it's for Mi 8, but it's same size screen, so it is similar size. Okay, you can see what is in the international set. So this is the paperwork, and the case is silicone case, transparent. Okay, this is the phone. It's blue. Pocophone F1. Okay, let's put this one aside first. Let's see what is in the box. This is the international charger, the 3-pin, and the USB-C cable, SIM card tool. What else do we have here? I think I don't have anything else. Okay, now to my thoughts on the phone. Actually, I did the unboxing back in end of December, so now it's almost been 3 months using this phone. From the point of view of build quality, it feels premier, although it is a plastic, but it feels like metal. It has one USB-C in the bottom, and this speaker. This is a dummy speaker. Then you'll have the second speaker, mostly for the triple from the earpiece here. We have dual SIM card, or you can use one SIM with memory, micro SD. You have 6.18 inch, around 6.2 inch. And you have one front camera, 20 megapixel with depth sensor for bokeh effect, and 2 back cameras. One is 12, one is 5, also for the depth bokeh effect. Then you'll have the access is by the fingerprint and also by the IR camera face recognition. The processor is the faster one, is Snapdragon high-end 845. This phone retails for about 1,300. This is the 128 gig model, the larger one, which is about $320. The smaller one, the 64, you can find in Lazada about 1,200, which is about $295. Okay, it feels snappy, no lag. Very responsive. The RAM is large, 6 gigs. Sometimes I forgot some apps in the background for weeks. Then I find that I have so many apps opened in the background. Okay, you can see the fingerprint, very fast, instant, you can see. It will be difficult to do the face because I have the camera here, but let's try. It's almost instant also. You can see very fast. I tried a photo, actually it doesn't log in unless it is my face. It has the IR camera and the depth sensor, so it's taking the 3D image of the face. Okay, some complaints. I have this brightness auto setting is very troublesome. It doesn't work, so I have to adjust the brightness manually every time. Also, it has the by default watermark in the camera, which is a bad idea actually. For someone who doesn't know, he might take many photos, then realize later on that it has a watermark, say in Pocophone, which is very bad actually. This phone has 4000 milliampere hour battery. The battery life is phenomenal. Actually, you can go easily 2 days without charging. Usually I just top up at evening for less than half hour, then I go on. For the cameras, the front camera, the selfie camera is 20 megapixel, is exceptionally good and clear, with the second depth sensor for bokeh effect. The back one is also producing very pleasing. For most people it will be more than enough. It's comparable to the high end. You can see the competition MKBH did on his channel, the blind camera test. It rivals the high end, since they did in Instagram with the lower resolution. So for most people it's bright, contrast is good, is pleasing photos. They won't be disappointed with the camera. Also, the camera has the slow motion, so it can record at full HD 240 frames per second, and at 720p it can go up to 960 frames per second. Also, you can do time lapse 4x up to 1800x. Okay, the sound you can see here. Let me log in. Okay, the sound is loud. Actually, the speaker here, mostly the sound is from here, and tiny bit is from here. We can see it's quite loud. For the notch, I disabled the notch from the setting. You can see the notch when you drop down, but you can disable it to make a black bar here, but it will be still there in the video. We can see here if we open YouTube. Okay, so we change to mass flow lit. If you double click, it will go full mode, but this video actually is not 19:6 aspect ratio. It's a bit square. For some videos you will be noticing the notch in the video. Here it has a black bars already, so we don't see any notch. You can have the option either without the notch or extending all the way to the edges. You can see here the edge of the screen, and the notch is here. Yeah, it feels in general very snappy, no lag at all. You can go through different apps at the same time, no lag at all. I think that's all what we have here. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comments, and please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you later on.